Hi, my name is Olivia, and I will be taking you through some ideas and thoughts for you to consider on how to enhance your gluten-free brand visibility and increase sales with our Gluten-Free Certification Program. We can quickly help you with brand awareness within the celiac community and gluten-free shoppers wherever you sell your products by becoming a trusted partner. Did you know the Gluten-Free Food Program certification is prominently recognized by grocery retailers, food safety leaders, and consumers? And the Gluten-Free Food Program Certified Mark of Trust trademark logo is highly valued by manufacturers and brand owners across all sectors to help promote gluten-free food safety and enhance confidence and trust in the products they make. The Gluten-Free Food Program was originally established in 2004 by the Celiac Association and was the first program of its kind in the United States to certify manufacturers and brand owners gluten-free. The National Celiac Association eventually acquired the assets of CSA, including this gluten-free certification program, and today is managed under the Gluten-Free Food Program with a gluten-free certification logo inspired by gluten-free consumers and designed to strategically distinguish and promote our customers' brands on store shelves and at the point of sales. In addition, the National Celiac Association program endorsement provides a powerful supporting message that helps Gluten-Free Food Program certified brands maximize long-term customer loyalty, combined with our free listing on our consumer website www.gf-finder.com. Have you been asking questions at the business owner or CEO level, or in quality and sales meetings about how to enhance your gluten-free product profile and gain visibility and trust with gluten-free consumers? The Gluten-Free Food Program successfully certifies hundreds of manufacturers and brand owners to help address gluten-free quality and product trust and engage with gluten-free customers across all market sectors and brand categories to help increase sales. So, what is involved? As you can imagine, each manufacturing customer that we work with have varying food safety programs and systems in place that supports good manufacturing practices and prevents the potential risk of product failures. The Gluten-Free Food Program works with every type of organization from boutique manufacturer and startup to large complex corporations. As every customer is different, how we work with each customer depends on the complexity of their systems, and how the Gluten-Free Food Program requirements are achieved will be unique to each operation. Like taking a bite out of an apple, the Gluten-Free Food Program will get to the core of your business needs and with certification standards designed to support your gluten-free requirements in a practical way, whether your food safety systems are simple or need to be incorporated into a hazard analysis plan or GFSI food safety certification program such as SQF, BRC, or FSSC 22000. The Gluten-Free Food Program will enhance your management efficiencies, reduce excessive administration, and reduce gluten-free certification costs. Contact us today to speak with one of our representatives or complete our online enrollment form to receive an estimate and cost for our certification services. Our team will be in touch with a response within 24 hours. We look forward to welcoming you as a valued customer.